Hi there, I'm at the Harborwalk community. This is a Pulte community and it is brand new, beautiful townhomes on James Island. We are just 3 miles from downtown Charleston and 7 miles from Folly Beach. This is a great opportunity for low maintenance living. They will take care of your landscaping, a termite bond, they'll even take care of your pest service. So if you're looking for something that is low maintenance, close to downtown and close to the beach, this is definitely the spot for you. They only have 18 opportunities left here to buy. They are selling quickly. I would love to tell you more about it, so message me if you would like to know more. Keep watching for what the inside of the model looks like and to get a feel for these beautiful homes.